Good day, everyone. I'm Ola May, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I am doing my first Macari unboxing, and I have my Dooney Bourke tissue paper to cover up the label. But I am going to go ahead and open it. Let's see if I move this. Okay, still can't see my address, so let's get to it. And this is still Drawstring July. So that kind of gives you a hint on what's in the box. And as you see, it's wrapped very well. I'm not sure if the seller added this saran wrap or plastic wrap to the outside or not, or if it was the post office. But anyway, it's definitely secure, so if it were to have rained or anything like that on it, I think it would have survived, but it looks to be in pretty good shape. Okay, so that has me wondering if maybe it came open. No, it couldn't have come open because the label's over the box, so I think it was okay. And I did not grab my box cutter, so we're using scissors all the way through. I guess I'll go ahead and tear up the box. I don't think that'll hurt anything. To keep from having to turn it all the way around. Seems to be packaged pretty good. It has like soft paper inside. And I found this particular bag on Facebook. Wait a minute. Did I say Macari? I did. Sorry, y'all. This is a Facebook haul. I have Macari purchases, so that's where my mind is. I'm thinking Macari. Facebook. I found this on Facebook. So, let's see. So disregard the beginning. Facebook is where I bought this from. Oh, it's packaged so nice. It has thank you stickers on it. Oh, I can see it. It's already cute. Oh, let's get the box out of the way. Y'all, when I saw this bag on Facebook, I actually have been thinking about it, and I did not know if it existed. But it does. And let me know if y'all have this or if y'all have seen this before. Oh, she put a nice set of earrings in it. And a card. Let's see what the card says. Oh, it says, thank you for your purchase. I hope you enjoy her. She deserves to be used best. That is so sweet. This is the thank you card that was included. That was very nice. And these are the earrings with an added touch. Those are cute too. I definitely have a purse and outfit that matches these. So thank you. I don't know if you want me to say your name on YouTube, but y'all. Anyway, back to the purse. I was stuck on the thank you note. This is a Kendall. This is a black Kendall, y'all. And I had been thinking, I was like, why don't they have a Greta in black? And I kind of pictured it before I actually found it on Facebook. So it has the tassels, as Kendall's do. And let's see how it looks inside. Kind of stiff drawstring. It's kind of a good sign it didn't get used as much, I would say, or has been put away. And I hope that's in the shot pretty good. Okay. She has some bubble filling inside. Pretty clean. The normal Kendall setup. Key keeper. Back zipper. Front pocket. And on the front, it has a snap on this particular pocket. And a smaller pocket here. But it's pretty clean inside, y'all. I don't think that she included the... I'm gonna double check the box, but if I recall correctly, on Facebook she had a picture of the sticker, the picture that said Kendall and black. So that kind of is what convinced me that it was real. But other than that, when I saw it, I pretty quickly went and Googled to see if I could find a picture of it. I could not, but I did find it on QVC on YouTube, and it was from about 8 years ago. So the purse is at least 8 years old as far as when this particular color came out. But this is it, y'all. This is my Facebook purchase for Drawstring July, and I am excited because I love black purses, but I love the Greta print. But I had not seen the Greta print in the color black. I have it in white with the black DB, which is my favorite. But I wanted it actually in black. And this is pretty close. I'm going to bring it closer so you all can see that the DB, it's not quite white. It's maybe like a very light gray color. If you all can see that. But overall, this purse looks brand new. The corners don't have any damage to them. You look at the other side. I don't see any bumps. So for this purse to be at least 8 years old, it looks very, very good. So I'm looking forward to carrying this black Kendall Greta. And definitely excited about this purchase for Drawstring July. I look forward to seeing more videos for Drawstring July. Shout out to Says What. I believe she's made 2 videos so far of her favorite drawstrings. Shout out to Simply D. She made a video of her favorite drawstrings and gave a beautiful, they both gave beautiful shout outs to me. As well as Mrs. P. Banks. She did one as well. Also, beautiful shout out to me as well. So I really appreciate that, y'all. And Mo Knows Beauty, she showed her drawstrings. And I mean, everybody had a beautiful, beautiful selection of their drawstring favorites. And it just goes to show that the drawstring silhouette itself is loved by many, because clearly we haven't just, most people that get one drawstring, they don't just stop at one. So that's what it kind of seems like so far. So I'm looking forward to seeing more Drawstring July videos. I will definitely tag Mo Knows Beauty, Mrs. P. Banks, Says What, and Simply D, tag their pages below. I don't think I'm missing anyone else that's made a Drawstring July video as of yet. But we're just in week number 2 of the month, so there's still plenty of time. So if you do make your video, don't forget to include hashtag Drawstring July so that it will be included with the hashtag, and that way we'll see your favorite drawstrings or your drawstring purchase for the month for Drawstring July. So I'm looking forward to seeing more videos with everyone. And that's it. I hope you all like this bag. Comment below and let me know if you've seen this before or if you remember it from 8 years ago or if it's older than 8 years. But this is the Dooney Bourke Greta drawstring bag in the color black. So thank you so much for watching, subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing. As always, have a wonderful day.